Welcome back to Raiden Cooks, and today we're going to be making a special recipe for sardines. And I don't like sardines, but hopefully this sauce will make me like it.
Today I'm going to show you how to make a recipe using canned sardines that's got so many amazing flavors to it.
This recipe is from Spain on the fort.
We're talking Spanish canned sardines and a delicious tomato sauce.
We're going to prep everything all in advance because we want everything ready. We will use 1 medium chopped onion. Now we're going to roughly chop the garlic. About 5 tomatoes. We need to chop up tomatoes.
I'm going to grab a large fry pan, heat it with a medium heat.
We're going to put about 3 tablespoons of extra virgin olive oil into the pan. Put the onions and the garlic in there, in the pan.
Do get in there every minute or so. That way everything evenly sautés.
The pan got a little too hot, and now the onions are burning, but I think it'll be fine. So now we're gonna grab the tomatoes and put them in the pan. We're gonna cook these for about 5 minutes.
I'm gonna add in half a teaspoon of sweet smoked Spanish paprika.
So, oh my gosh. You're gonna need however much you want of sea salt. We're gonna put that in there. Oh yeah, that's So we're gonna let it cool off. So let's prepare them. And he says to drain them, so make sure you do that.
And gently remove the sardines from the cans and transfer them into a dish.
You see all the cats? They smell the sardines.
I'm going to transfer everything into a food processor.
So let's just... You want to blend it for 30 to 60 seconds until smooth. He said to add a little bit of sugar, so that's what we're going to do. We want to make a nice presentation, so we're going to scoop some of the sauce onto the dish.
Add the sardines over the tomato sauce, making sure to give them a gentle flip. That way they're fully coated in the sauce.
So we're getting it into the sauce like so. Just graving it. This is the final product, and we're gonna try it. Here goes this. Okay, I tried a sardine alone before this video. It was okay, it just tasted like fish. But I think it's a lot more interesting with the sauce. I think it combines flavors, and it's good this way. I like it. So the Spain on the fork recipe will be down in the description below. This was fantastic. Thank you so much. And yeah, we'll see you in the next one.